Hello everyone, welcome to Hustle with Promise. In my channel we always talk about ways to make money online, schools and stuff, anything to improve ourselves, anything that I find useful, I tried to share it on my channel. So if you're interested in such content, please like this video and subscribe to my channel, and also click the notification bell so that you don't miss anything when I post. So in today's video, guys, we're gonna talk about something serious. We're gonna get too serious. So we're going to talk about how does the stock market work. You know that we talk about ways to make money online. What do we do with that money that we get? We invest it. So let's get to the video. How does the stock market work? First thing first, we're gonna start with what is the stock market. A stock market is a place where you buy shares of companies in South Africa. In South Africa, we have the JSE, and then I think in New York, we have the New York Exchange. And then let's say, what is a share? A share is when you buy a certain portion or a percentage in a company. For example, you buy 5% of Coca-Cola shares in a company, and then you in Coca-Cola, and then you become a shareholder. So let's say you buy 3 shares in Coca-Cola, I don't know, maybe it's 0.001 percentage in Coca-Cola, and then you become their shareholder. You own that portion of shares that you bought in that company. So another thing we're gonna talk about is, how do you buy shares? So here in South Africa, you can buy shares from stockbrokers, and there are other people called asset management, and also you can buy your shares in stockbroking platforms, for example, like easy equity. You can also buy your shares from financial institutions like FNB, Standard Bank, that I know of, and also you can check if the stockbroker or the stockbroking platform, it's legit from the JSE website before you invest your money. And then another important thing that we're gonna share is, how do you make money by investing in shares? How do you make money in the stock market? So you're gonna make money in a way of capital appreciation. So what is capital appreciation? Capital appreciation is when your shares are increasing in value. Anything, capital appreciation now applies to almost everything. When your house increases in value, when maybe your phone increases in value. So for example, let's say today you decide to buy ShopRite shares with 20 rand. Yes, buy ShopRite shares when they're trading at 20 rand, and then you buy them today, and then after 5 years you decide to sell them. And then when you decide to sell them, you find out that, okay, these shares are now worth 25 rand. That's what we call capital appreciation, which means you would have made a profit of 5 rand from your shares. But the tricky thing is that you only realize your profit when you sell. So if you don't sell, you don't realize that profit, because the stock market goes up and down. Most of the time, sometimes it goes up, sometimes it goes down. But it has been proven that over time, the stock market goes up. And another way to make money when investing in shares is by dividends. What is dividends? A dividend is a distribution of profit by the company to its shareholders. So let's say a company this year made a profit of 1 million, and then they say that, wow, we performed good. They'll decide that, okay, we can give our shareholders a dividend of 1 rand per share. So let's say you own 100 shares in that company, and the company decides to say, okay, we're giving our shareholders 1 rand per share this year. Then that way you can get your 100 rand. So that's what it's in two ways: capital appreciation and dividends. Dividends, you don't realize your profits when you sell. You just realize the profit when the company decide to issue dividends. Some companies issue their dividends quarterly, some of the company yearly. Some of the companies that I know in USA, they issue their dividends monthly. And also ETFs, ETFs, they issue their dividends quarterly. So I'm gonna give you the tips before you go and invest in the stock market. Always research. The first tip I'm gonna give you is always research the broker or the platform that you want to use, in terms of if it's legit one, which is important because there are scammers out there. Or you also wanna see their fees and stuff, because some platforms are more expensive than others and some platforms are cheap. Like some platforms like Easy Equities, their fees are just cents. So also research the company you want to invest in. For me, I just invest in companies that I know. So I just choose maybe apps, FNB and stuff, because I know, and it's gonna be easy for me to research them because I know what they do. I know a lot about them. So you invest your company and also invest what you can afford to lose, because the stock market goes up and down. So you must invest what you want to lose. And then yeah, that's it for me. If you like this video, guys, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to invest. Bye.